Sorry for the awkward angle. Good morning. Welcome to a new vlog. It is currently 8 o'clock. I've been up since 6:30. I did a quick workout. I did Sarah's Day Sweaty Shredder week 1, day 1. Okay, good morning. So I'm a little bit sweaty right now. I just finished the Sweaty Shredder week 1, day 1. I've started it a few times, but I've never actually finished it. So I'm determined to actually finish it this time. Now that I'm not working full time, I can get up in the morning and work out. Usually, it's 8 o'clock right now. Usually I would have half an hour before I start work. I start work at 8:30, but I used to work in the city, so I would leave my house at 6:30. But I woke up at 6:30 this morning, did some things, worked out. Now I'm gonna go have a shower and get on with the rest of my day. I haven't really worked out in the morning on a weekday before, and I feel amazing, so I highly recommend. It has honestly just made me feel a lot more productive, so I'm excited for the rest of the week. I've started the Sweat It to Shred It ebook a few times, but I've never actually finished it, and I feel like now that I'm not working full time, I can, because I have more time to work out. Oh my god, I've got this Frank Body Illuminator, and the lid is like completely broken. Can you see that? Like, it's literally just falling apart. So yesterday I went, or not yesterday, the day before, I went to Business Bombshells conference, which was so much fun. So I'm going to quickly insert some clips that I got from that now. I didn't end up taking my camera. I just kind of filmed bits and pieces on my phone, because I kind of didn't want to be like worried about getting too much content on the day. I kind of just wanted to be in the moment and like listen to everyone speak. I'll explain a bit more about it later on, but here are the clips from the Business Bombshells conference. Okay, so today is my first day off work. Today's my first day off work, and I'm so excited. I feel great. I've done my workout. I feel like, I don't know, I'm excited to do things because I have more time now. I've made a shake, a giant shake. I can't remember if I've showed these in a video before. I'm pretty sure I have, but I'm having one of these. So it's just a whole food shake. Tastes like a chocolate shake, amazing. And then I need to take my capsules later as well. I haven't been taking them as often as I should, and I'm getting a little bit of some breakouts, so we need to clear that up. But I'm getting ready, and then we're going to go out for coffee. And then I have a few things that I need to do today, and I thought I would kind of just film a bit of a week in my life because I can this week, because I'm not working. I'm going to finish getting ready, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so we finished brunch. We're at IKEA now, and I'm getting some.
You're not at IKEA.
What did I say?
You said we're at IKEA now.
We're at Woolies. I'm getting some veggies and food to make dinner tonight. I'm going to cook a quinoa pesto. Why is that? So we're back home now, and I thought I would show you what I bought from Woolies. So I bought some food because I bought an ebook on the weekend. I think her name's Sophie. I'll link her channel down below, but it was really cheap. It was only like $15, so I bought it, and I'm gonna cook something from the ebook for dinner tonight. So let me get everything out and then I'll show you what I have. So we got some cucumbers, we got some pumpkin and sweet potato because I'm too lazy to cut my own, so I bought them pre-cut. We got some cherry tomatoes, blueberries. I decided to try out some hemp seeds. I've never had them before, but I've heard good things. And then we got some feta. We got 2 kinds of tofu. We got satay tofu and honey soy. And then we got this cottage cheese. We got some white quinoa, pesto, cashews, and that's all. And we got these 2 little recipe card thingies as well. So it's about 2:30 now. So I've just sat down at my desk and I'm going to do a little bit of work. I have some photos that I need to take for a brand, so I'm just gonna look through the brief that they sent me, and then maybe look on Pinterest or something for photo ideas of pictures that I can take for them, and then just plan a bunch of other posts. So while I do that, I'm going to listen to a podcast. I usually listen to podcasts on my way home from work on the train, but now I don't catch the train to work anymore, so I need to figure out how to work podcasts into my daily routine. So the podcasts that I listen to are very diverse. So I listen to The Health Code, which is Sarah's Day. I listen to Pretty Basic, which is Remy and Alicia. I listen to Find Your Fire, which is Jess Norbury. And then I listen to Views, which is David Dobrik, Jason Nash. And I also listen to Zane and Heath Unfiltered. So those are my favorite podcasts. There's like a mix of like health, business, lifestyle, and then I have Views and Unfiltered for like a little bit of comedy. So now I think I'm going to listen to Find Your Fire by Jess Norbury. I have 2 of her podcasts that I haven't listened to that I need to catch up on. They go for about 20 minutes each, so I might pop those on and get some work done. Okay, so this is the recipe that I'm following. It's from Sophie Jane's ebook, Oh That Glow. So making the pesto pumpkin quinoa. I'm not going to make it exact. I'm going to add a few extra bits and pieces in there. But this is what we're following for the most part. Okay, so we've got the quinoa cooking. I can probably turn that down a little bit, and then I've got the pumpkin and sweet potato in a bowl, and I've put in a little bit of olive oil and some herbs. I'm gonna stick this bowl on top, give it a shake so it gets all mixed up, and then put them in the air fryer to cook them. Alright, so I've made the dinner. It's a little bit different to the recipe. So it's got the pesto quinoa underneath, and then I sauteed some capsicum, onion, mushroom, and asparagus. I've got some fresh tomatoes, some pumpkin and sweet potato, and on top there's just a bunch of cashews and feta. So it doesn't look that great, but once I mix it up, it's gonna be so good. Good morning, guys. So it is the next day now. I didn't end up filming a lot last night, so I thought I would continue on with the vlog today. I think the last thing I did yesterday was make dinner. I made the pesto quinoa bowl from Sophie Jane's ebook, Oh That Glow, and oh my god, so good. Highly recommend. I don't know why I've never thought of mixing pesto with quinoa before, but it's delicious. It's amazing. So this morning I'm gonna go outside and do a little bit of yoga because my muscles are really sore from yesterday's workout. So I'm gonna try and do a little bit of stretching and stuff, and I want to start doing more yoga because I do it every now and then, but I'm not very good at it, and I want to get better at it because I enjoy it. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm going to have like a hair stuck in my glasses. That's really annoying. Alright, so had a shower. I haven't put any makeup on yet. I don't know if I'm gonna film later today or take photos and stuff, but if I'm gonna do that I'll put makeup on later, but I can't really be bothered right now. But I've made my chocky shake for breakfast, and I'm sitting down at my desk, and it is 9:15 in the morning, so I'm gonna do a little bit of studying because I feel like if I don't do it in the morning I'll just be thinking about it all day. So I kind of want to get it done, and that way I can do everything else I need to do today without worrying about studying. So I've got my notebook, and what am I up to? A lot. I've almost finished module 1. I'm going to put on another podcast while I study. I don't know why, but I feel like I need to listen to something while I'm studying. I can't just study in silence. Weird, I don't know. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll catch up with you guys after. So I finished studying, and now I am just taking some photos for Instagram. So I had a brand send me a body scrub. I'm a little bit messy right now. I have the body scrub on. So I'm taking photos for them. So I had to put the body scrub on. So I've got a towel down. There's scrub everywhere. It's all over my hands too. But I'm excited. I've taken a few photos. I have my phone set up in front of me on a tripod. I've taken a few photos. There's one that I really like that I think I'll post. And then I need to take a few other ones. They also sent me a face, I'm not even filming myself. They also sent me a face mask, so I need to take some photos with that as well. I think I'm gonna do too much else today. I kind of want to plan a lot of content and edit this vlog and take a few more photos for this brand, but I don't really need to put makeup on for that, so I think I'm gonna have a little bit of a makeup free day today. And yeah, so I know this is kind of annoying because you can see the reflection in my glasses, but I'm cooking lunch. This is usually what I will have for breakfast sometimes, but I just had a shake this morning. But this is one of my favorite things to eat right now. So basically I just have a bunch of veggies. So I have some mushrooms, we have some onion, some capsicum, and some asparagus. Basically you cook that all up in a pan, and then I'll show you what we do after that. But honestly, it's so good, and it's not that bad for you either because it's mostly veggies. Alright, so once you have your toast, you spread on some of this cottage cheese. So it's high protein, it's just the Bulla original cottage cheese. So just spread a little bit of that onto the toast. So then I've just thrown all the veggies on top, and I've put a little bit of the Ketchup Manis sweet soy sauce on top as well, and it is so delicious. Okay, good morning guys. It's the next day now. I know this is a bit of an awkward angle, but I'm just doing my makeup. It is 10 o'clock, so we've had a little bit of a later start to the day. I decided to sleep in a little bit this morning. I woke up at 8 o'clock, and then I went and did the Toning Power workout from Sarah's Days ebook. I can't talk today, I don't know what's wrong with me. I feel like I'm getting a little bit sick. I'm just not feeling the greatest today. But my sister is working today. She's only working for 3 hours, so I was thinking I would go with her and sit at Starbucks. Not go with her to work, but go to the shopping centre where she works, and sit at Starbucks and get some work done, just so I can get out of the house. I don't know if I'm going to be ready in time. If I'm not, I'll just stay home, but if I am, I'll go. But I thought I can edit the vlog, I can do some studying, and anything else that I need to do, just so I'm not distracted by things in my house. So that is the plan for today. Okay, so I'm back home now. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I almost finished editing it while I was at Starbucks, and so far it goes for 17 minutes. So this is gonna be the last clip, and I'm gonna see if I can cut it down a little bit. But I'm not gonna do anything else today, I don't think. I feel like I'm getting sick, so I might just like have a bath and have a bit of a chill night. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. All of my social media links will be down in the description bar, so you can go ahead and follow me on those if you like. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.